Okay, boys and girls. Now, we're right now on textbook page 46 on top on this question 2. Now, this question is it shows you how we can use fraction on things that we see and we use every day in our lives. So let's talk about, 2a first. We see 1 meter 34 cm. Alright, so we're talking about how long things are. If we look at B, we have kg and g, kilogram and grams, how heavy things are. And if you look at C, we have months and year, okay? The longer period of time, so we're not talking about minutes and seconds, so we're months and year. And if you look at D, and we are actually talking about minutes and seconds. So these are all things that we can use numbers on. And fraction is a bit like a number, all right? A new way of writing a number on things that are part of something else. For example, if you look at 2a, okay? 1 meter and 34 cm. Now, just express how long something is 1 meter 34 cm. There's meter and there's cm. What if we just use meter, okay? But what about that cm? Well, 34 cm is part of a meter. Okay, I think you learned before, if you still remember, how many cm is 1 meter? How many cm is 1 meter? If you remember, 1 meter is 100 cm. Okay, so 34 cm is basically 33 over 100, okay, of 1 meter. Like that. Okay? Now, I'm going to have you try and do the rest of this, but before you do it, I want you to think about some of these questions. How many grams is 1 kilogram? I think you learned that before. How many grams is 1 kilogram? And for C, how many months there are in 1 year? How many months there are in 1 year? And for minutes, well, how many seconds are there in 1 minute? I think you would know this. How many seconds are there in 1 minute? Once you figure that out, and you will know what goes on the bottom of the fraction. Okay? Just like think of 1 minute as a whole pie divided into how many seconds. Okay? So, have a little think about that. I'll leave that in the Google form for you to do. Okay?